Today in this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about Currys Return Policy, including their rules for faulty goods, returns after 30 days, in-store returns, and even what happens if you've opened the product. Faulty goods. Let's start with faulty items. If your product is faulty, Currys will offer you either an exchange or a refund within 30 days of purchase or delivery. But what if more than 30 days have passed? In that case, they may still repair your faulty item, but only if it's still under the manufacturer's guarantee, which is usually 12 months from the purchase date. One important thing to remember: Currys won't give you a refund, exchange, or repair if the fault is caused by accidental damage, misuse, neglect, or just normal wear and tear. Change your mind. Online purchases. Now, let's talk about if you simply change your mind. If you bought your item online, you can return it within 30 days, even if you've opened it to inspect. To get a full refund, the product must be in used, in its original packaging, and in a resaleable condition with all accessories included. Most online returns can also be taken back to a Currys store as long as the product meets these conditions. Change your mind. In-store purchases. If you purchase in a Currys store, you can return your item within 30 days, but only if it's still sealed, unopened, and you approve of purchase. This doesn't apply to connected products with airtime, like mobile phones, SIM contracts, or broadband connections. Important exceptions. There are a couple of important exceptions. Some products, for example those with hygiene reasons, can be returned if their seal has been broken, unless they're faulty. For connected products, return rules depend on the network provider. With ID Mobile, you have 14 days to change or cancel your contract. With Vodafone, however, once the contract is made, you cannot cancel or change it. So to sum it up, faulty items are refundable or exchangeable within 30 days, possibly reparable after that within the guarantee. Online purchases can be returned even if opened, as long as they're in used and in good condition. In-store purchases must be sealed and unopened. And always check for special rules around hygiene products or connected devices. I hope this video makes Currys return policy clearer for you. If it helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful updates.